Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now here my another topic in digital electronics series is 7 segment display decoder, or you can say decoder. Here 7 segment display. 7 segment display is basically like this. 7 segment where we have single digit 0 to 9 we can show. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G I have shown. Now we have a digit 0 to 9 and 10 to 15. So here 0 to 9 digit have been shown in this, and if you want 10 to 15 you should take one more 7 segment display here. I am talking about 0 to 9 here. Now the 0 digit and the binary equivalent of 0 digit is 0 0 0 0. At this condition 0 will be shown when like this. Okay, when all the inputs are on except G. Okay, when G is 0 and other is 1. So A 0 0 0 1 1 1 and G is 0. Now 1. Okay, 1 will be shown if only like this. B and C is 1 and another is 0. Okay, and binary equivalent is 0 0 0 1. Now 2 can be shown like this. So A, B, G, A, B, G, E and D, and other is 0. Now these are binary equivalent of each digit. Now 3 will be like this. So A 1, B 1, G 1, C 1 and D 1. These are 0. Now 4 will be like this. So 4 is F 1, G 1, B 1 and C 1. Now other is 0. Now 5 will be shown like this. So 5 will be A1, F1, G1, C1 and D1. Other is 0. Now 6 will be like this. So A1, F1, G1, C1, E1 and D1. B is 0. Now 7 will be like this. 7 will be like this. A1 and BC. BC will be 1, other will be 0. Now 8 will be all the inputs are on. This will be like this. Now 9 will be like this, or you can say this. Okay, the only E is 0 and other is 1. Now you can check for 10 to 15 there is no condition. Okay, there is don't care condition. So we can write here don't care condition for each 10 to 15. So if we make the K-map for each block, you can check for A. I will show you for A and other will be made by you. So A will be don't care condition from 10 to 15. So we can make 10 to 15 don't care condition. Okay, now A will be 1 where 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are our K-map for A. So if you group, this is our 8 grouping and this will be your 8-bit grouping, this will be your 1-bit grouping and this will be your 2-bit grouping. So you can make this type of grouping, and for A you can take Boolean algebra, like from here to here all the B2 and B3 are eliminated. From here to here only B0 is there. Plus for this 8 grouping, here to here you can check only the B2 is here and here to here all the gone. From here to here only the B0 bar and B1 is here, and here to here B3 is here. From here to here 4 grouping, that will B0 bar, B1 bar, and here to here B3 bar. So by this segment you can all take B, C, D, E, F, G, K map. So here I have make it and from 10 to 15 I have write it down. Don't care condition for timing problem. So here you can make for B. You can check for B. So B for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 is not there. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. I will make all the K map, then I will solve. For C, 0, 1. 0, 1. And now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the ones. Now for D, 0, 0, then 2, then 2, and D, 5, 6, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 8, 9. Now I will make for E. E is 0, 2, 0, 2, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 6 and 8. Now I will make for F. F is for 0, 0, then 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now I will make for G. G is for, you can check, G is for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 8, 9. 8, 9, and all are for don't care condition. I will solve all the K map here. So here grouping will be like this and like this and this and like this. Okay. Now you can make the group, and for B you can solve. For this whole group you have only B0 plus. For this group you have B2, B3. For this group you have B2, B3 bar. For this group you have B0, B1 bar. Okay. Now C. C for, I think this is a group like this, and this can be make group like this, and this can be make like this, and if there is also one it can make, but there is no one, so it can be make like this, and this can be make like this 8. Okay, because we give preference of 8 rather than 4. So for this you have only B0 plus. For this 8 you have only B1 plus. For this 4 you have B0 bar, and for here to here you have B2 bar plus. For this B0 bar, B1 bar, and from here to here you have B3. Okay. Now for D. D you can make groups like this. This can make like this. This will be like this, and this can make like this 4 corners. Okay. So D will be for 8 group. You have only B0 plus. For this 4 corners you have B1 bar, and here to here you have B3 bar plus. From here to here you have B2, B3 bar plus. From here to here you have B1 and here B2 bar and B3. Okay, now for here you have this 4 group. Okay, you can leave this don't care condition and this 4 group and this 2 group, and this can be make like this 4 group. Okay, so here 4, this will E, that will B0 B1 plus here to here B2 and B3 B2 bar plus B3, and for this group this will be B0 B2 bar and B3 bar plus this corner group we have, that is here to here there B1 bar, here to here B3 bar. Okay, for F will be like this 4 group, this 4 group and this 2 group. Okay, the 8 group will be B0 plus that is B2 B3 bar plus for this 4 group that is B1, and for this to this B2 bar plus from here to here B2 B3 bar, B2 B3 and here to here B1, and this G will be like grouping like this and this can be made like this. So here there will be B0 plus for this group that will be B1, and for here to here B2 bar plus here to here B0 B2 B3 bar plus here to here B0 bar B1 bar and here to here only B2. So this is our equations for 7 segment display. So you can make a circuit diagram for each the equations like. So you can make a circuit diagram for this. So you can make like this B0, B1, B2 and B3. Okay, you can make like this B0, B2, B1 and B0. You can also make for our confusion B3 bar, B2 bar, B1 bar and B0 bar. Okay, so how can you make like this? I have making from the orange color, that is for bar line. Okay, you can also make in a 2-bit comparator. I have make another type, and in a 7 segment display I make it different time. So you can now how can you make the circuit in a different style. So for A you can check this. Okay, for A that is B0, B2, B0 bar, B1 and this is AND. Now B3, only B3 is like this. Now B0 bar and B1 and B3 and okay, this one, and all are going through the OR gate. So this is a circuit diagram for A. So you can make all the circuit diagram for B, C, D, E, F, G and from here. So this I am leaving for you. You can make this circuit diagram and send me to the comment box. Send a picture me to the comment box. I will waiting for this diagram And if you have any query regarding this, please subscribe my channel and comment me in a comment box. I will definitely get back to you. Thank you. Good day and take care.